We have an interesting house call today on a boat dock.
Ready? Okay.
This is so awesome. I'm just sitting on the roof while.
When all you got are broken dreams, just need a second chance. Everything you wanna be is taken from your hands. We hold on to each other. All we have is all we need. 'Cause one way or another, we always make it, you and me. This night could almost kill ya. When you're trying to survive, it's good to be here with ya, and it's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. I was lost and I was gone. I was almost dead inside. You and me against the world. It's a beautiful night. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. It's good to be alive. Driving down this highway, soaking up the sun. Got miles to go before we get home, and the journey's just begun. We hold on to each other. You are everything I need. You feel like forever. You're the second chance for me. I can almost kill ya. When you're trying to survive, it's good to be here world's abuse. I won't give up or refuse. This is how it feels when you're bent and broken. This is how it feels when your dignity's stolen and everything you love is leaving. You hold on to what you believe in.
The last thing I heard was you whispering goodbye, and then I heard you fly.
No, not gonna die tonight. We're gonna stand and fight forever.
Don't close your
No, not gonna die tonight. We're gonna fight for ours together. No, we're not gonna die tonight. Break their hold, 'cause I won't be controlled. They can't keep their chains on me when the truth has set me free. This is how it feels when you take your life back. This is how it feels when you finally fight back. When life pushes me, I push harder. What doesn't kill me makes me stronger.